hold your breath and count 3, 2, 1. Somewhere near a black hole, the same 3 seconds just stretched into an entire week. How? We're about to rip open the fabric that pretends to be time, and nothing you believe about clocks will survive. Remember that class that felt eternal? Now picture astronauts orbiting Earth at 28,000 kilometers an hour. Boredom aside, their on-board clocks physically slow by microseconds. Your next delivery order corrects for that slowdown 50 million times a day, or your pizza lands in the wrong city. If time can't even handle pepperoni, how will it cope with a black hole? Imagine space and time as one giant rubber sheet. Drop the sun on it, whew, boom, dent. Planets roll around the dimple and call it an orbit, but paint a grid of seconds on that sheet and watch. Near the dent, the seconds themselves stretch like warm gum. Gravity isn't pulling you, it's slow-moing you. 5, 4, 3. Whisper those numbers while free-falling toward a stellar black hole, and Earth will hear them drone out for centuries. Your voice ages into antique radio static before the echo can bounce back. Gravity isn't just a downforce, it's a time-stretching DJ slowing the track until the beat almost dies. 2 twins, 1 knife, 1 birthday wish. Twin B blasts off at 0.9 cent. To her, 2 years flash by, an anime binge and a couple of selfies. Down here, Twin A watches 48 candles melt, then 49, then 50. When the cruiser finally exhales into orbit, one sister steps out with teenaged freckles. The other signs mortgage papers. Same DNA, different calendars. Time didn't break its promise, it just made 2 very different deals. Your phone is a hostage negotiator for rebellious seconds. 4 satellites, 20,000 kilometers up, sprint 45 microseconds faster every day because gravity's grip is weaker. Einstein steps in. Your chipset subtracts that time cheat before you've even unlocked the screen. Kill relativity, and Google Maps ships your sushi to Antarctica while you wait curbside. Quick challenge, glance at your phone clock. That number is a peace treaty, not a fact. Comment, time hack, if you knew GPS was basically Einstein in your pocket. What if the glass never existed, and we only heard it break? Under savage gravity, time simply clocks out. But curiosity, that thing pays overtime. Double tap the screen. Prove to the algorithm that you're still moving even if time quits. 230 seconds. Just twisted time into knots. Spare 2 more. Smash subscribe before this moment slips beyond the event horizon. And share it, because up the timeline a future you already did, and they're waiting for you to catch up.